Hey, beautiful people, welcome back to BEEJAY with TV, your number one channel of choice, where we celebrate beauty, style, and natural confidence. Today's video is all about helping you find the best natural hairstyles for black women with round faces. So, if you have ever struggled to find the right cut or style to flatter your face shape, I have got you covered. When choosing a hairstyle, knowing your face shape is key. Round faces are full of natural beauty, but the wrong hairstyle can sometimes make them appear wider or less defined. So today, we are focusing on cuts and styles that enhances your features, elongates your face, and bring out your best look naturally. Firstly, look at tapered cuts. This classic style adds eyes at the crown, which helps balance the roundness of your face. We also have coily pixie cuts. It's low maintenance, bold and full of personality. And of course, layer twist outs are perfect for adding definition and volume where it counts. Let's not forget protective styles. Eye puffs and updos draw attention upward, giving the illusion of a longer face. Box braids, passion twist, and flat twist styled up the face can slim the cheeks and highlight your jawline. When styling, go for volume at the top, not the sides. Use lightweight gels or coil creams to define curls without shrinkage. And don't forget to play with parting side parts, can really contour your face beautifully. I hope you found some hairstyles inspo today. Let me know in the comments section which one you are excited to try, or share your go-to style for your round face. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a new style drop from BEEJAY's Airways TV. Thanks for watching, and remember, your natural beauty deserves to shine. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video.